Hiya beautiful people, how are you today? I'm good, I'm excellent. Meet me again in my food channel FoodComa by MissBlackRose. Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a spinach gnocchi with sausage and triple cheese. Right, okay, if you like the video, please subscribe, like and comment and share. Thank you very much. So let's learn together. Now I'm gonna show you what we're gonna use for these dishes. First of all, this is homemade spinach gnocchi. You can see how to make it in my previous video. And spinach, sorry. And shitake mushroom. This is brilliant. I love this fresh one, right? Not the dry one. And tomato cherries. This is I mix it between yellow and orange. Well, not orange, red. But then if you just want to have red or just yellow, you're not fuss about it, okay? And then sausage. It's supposed to be Italian sausage, but it's a bit difficult to have it in here, so I just use, you know, Bratwurst. I think it's German, but you can use any sausage you want. It's not really fussy. And three kind of can you see it's a bit like the light is too much, but anyway, three kind of cheese: feta, mozzarella, and what is it, like parmesan. All right, okay, I have to go. Ow! Wait, I have to go here. You see, it's a lot better, yeah. Okay. And then I'm gonna use cream. I forgot to put it in here. Well, I just write down everything here later in my description, so you can see there. Here, garlic. Listen, I have to go there. Sorry. Right, okay, this is garlic. All right, and onion, black pepper. Oh, and salt, thyme. And I love to put it more like a flakes, chili flake. I forgot again to put it in here. Alright, then don't worry about it. I'm gonna write everything ingredient in the done. Okay. So, guys, this is Lorit. He's gonna yeah, help to grate the pasta.
We can all agree that we want a lot of cheese, right?
Yeah, all of them.
We do all of it?
Yeah.
Alright, that makes me a happy boy.
Oops. What was that? Chili flake?
Chili flakes.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, you can add a little bit more.
Ah, it's gonna be like
That's super
dragon. Right, can
Just
you
enough to feel it.
right? Can you mix it up and then put
Absolutely.
in the thingy? What that in English? That one.
I'm from Denmark, I don't know.
All right.
I do not speak.
Okay. You don't? Me no,
Here we go.
same thing. Me no English.
Let's call it a glass pan.
Yeah, whatever. Just pan now.
Glass pot.
Okay. What?
Oh, look at this. It's gonna sit very nicely in my tummy.
The final touch, more cheese.
You can never have enough cheese in this world.
Right, okay, when it's done, ready to bake. About 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yeah. Do you think you're still alive?
I'm super
Waiting?
hungry. I'm not sure I will survive 15 minutes. Here we go.
Alright, so.
All cheese done.
Right, just put it in oven. Food is ready, so thank you very much. Yes, so dig in.
Oh, man, this looks perfect. Gnocchi.
Yes.
Gnocchi triple cheese.
With sausage.
Look at that. Oh. Wow, look at this.
Bon appetit.